welcome back. I'm Joseph Hoffman. Today is the day we're going to learn Cuckoo hands together. So before you do this lesson, make sure that you've mastered the right hand of Cuckoo and the left hand by themselves. Then you can play them with no missed notes. If you've done all of those lessons before, then you're ready to learn Cuckoo hands together. Okay, let's take a look at Cuckoo. Here's the first line of Cuckoo written on the grand staff. That's right, we've got the treble clef and the bass clef put together on one staff because we're going to be using the right hand and left hand together. The right hand will be in charge of all the notes on the treble clef staff. The left hand will be in charge of all the notes written on the bass clef staff. First thing we ought to notice is that the rhythms of the two hands are different. So we're going to have to learn how to coordinate those two different rhythms at the same time. So let's draw in the beats for measure 1. Here's beat 1, beat 2, and beat 3. Can you tap with your right hand the rhythm of measure 1 for the right hand while counting the beat? Let's try it together. Ready? Tap with me. Go. 1, 2, 3. And on 3, because it's a rest, no tap. Now let's draw in the beats for our left hand. Because we have a half note here, that note will take up 2 beats. So we have beat 1, 2, and 3. What happens on beat 2? If you said that this half note is still going, you're correct. This half note will still be playing during beat 2, and then finally on beat 3, we'll play another note, the middle C. Now, can you tap the rhythm of the left hand while counting the beat? Let's try it together. Use your left hand and tap and count. Go. 1, 2, 3. Good. Now let's try putting the rhythm of the two hands together. We're going to count the beat and tap with both of our hands. So on beat 1, they both tap together. 1. Then on beat 2, the right hand taps. Then on beat 3, the left hand will tap. Let's try it together. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3. Let's practice that again. Remember, beat 1, they tap together. Go. 1, 2, 3. Good job. Now, what do you notice about this next measure? If you said it's the same rhythm, you're correct. Then in this measure, both hands play the same rhythm, 3 quarter notes. 1, 2, 3. Then in this measure, they both play a half note, and then on beat 3, the left hand will play by itself. Let's draw in the beats for that last measure. 1, 2, 3, while the left hand goes 1, 2, and then plays on beat 3. 1, 2, 3. Now let's try tapping the rhythm of the entire first line of music while counting the beat out loud. Get both hands ready. Here we go. Ready, start. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Together, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Good. Now you try it by yourself. I'll just point and count. You tap. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Good work. If you need to practice that some more to get it right, just rewind and try it again, or pause and practice on your own, then try it with me when you're ready. Now that we know how the rhythms go, we're ready to try playing it on the piano. Let's come to the piano. Let's put both hands in the F major pentascale. And let's warm up by playing stepping and skipping in F major. Let's do it together. Ready? Go. Stepping up and stepping down and skipping up and down. Then play a chord. Good. Now, let's try the first measure of Cuckoo. Remember that the right hand plays this. So, mi, rest. Now you try. Good. Let's review what the left hand does. Left hand goes 1, 2, 3. Now you try. Good. Now we're going to put the two together while we count the beat. Remember that on beat 1 they play together. On beat 2 the right hand plays, and on beat 3 the left hand plays. Like this. 1, 2, 3. Now you try. Was that hard? It usually takes several tries to get this. My turn again. Remember, on beat 1 we'll play together. 1, 2, 3. The left hand plays on beat 3. Now you try. Push pause and practice that several times on your own until you can do it smoothly and confidently. Then press play again when you're ready to try it with me. Okay, did you make some progress on your own? Let's try it together now. Let's play and count the beat. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3. Good. Then that same pattern happens again. Let's try it. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3. Excellent. Now let's put those two measures together like this. I'll take a turn by myself once. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Now you try it. Good. Now for the next part, we're going to skip the word come and work on fly with me, because it's actually a little bit easier. On the words fly with me, our right hand is doing mi, re, do. And that's a stepping down pattern. Now our left hand is playing so, fa, mi at the same time. It's also stepping down, but it starts on so, while the right hand starts on mi. So let's see what that will sound like together. Here we go. Makes a very nice sound, doesn't it? Now your turn. First, try just the right hand. Try to play fly with me. Go. Good. Now let's try the left hand. It will play so, fa, mi. Your turn. Good. Now let's put the two together. It will sound like this. Your turn. Great. Now let's add the word come, which comes right before fly with me. On the word come, the left hand plays a G and then skips up to C for fly with me. The right hand, however, starts on the B flat. So you'll play a G in the left hand and a B flat in the right hand at the same time for the word come. And then after that we have fly with me, which we just practiced. Let's do just the right hand by itself, starting on the word come this time, which is the B flat. Come fly with me. Now your turn. The left hand will start on the G, come, and then skip up to the C, fly with me. Now you try. Good, now let's put the two together. When you play come, it will be G in the left hand, B flat in the right hand, come, and then the left hand skips up to C while the right hand steps down, fly with me. Now listen to that without it stopping. It will sound like this. Come fly with me. Now you try. Good first try. Now push pause and practice that until you can do that smoothly. Good. Now remember, there's one more note in the left hand. After we do come fly with me, we hold that for 2 beats, and then the left hand plays a do on beat 3. So we have come fly with 1, 2, 3. Good. With both hands together, it will sound like this. 1, 2, 3. Now, push pause and practice that section. Doesn't matter if it takes you 10 tries or 20 tries or even 100 tries. Just keep going, keep trying it until you get it. Push play again when you're ready to try the whole first line with me. How did your practicing go? Good, I'm glad that you were trying your best. Now, here's what the whole first line will sound like. I'll count the beat and play. You just watch and listen, and then you can take a turn. Here I go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Now you try. Good job. Great job working on Cuckoo hands together. Like I said, this is one of the greatest challenges we've had. What's that? You noticed that that wasn't the whole song? Well, you're right. We didn't learn the whole song today because I want you to practice that first line and get really amazing at it. And then I'll teach you line 2 in our next lesson. So work really hard on line 1, hands together, till you can play it very smoothly and beautifully with a good steady beat. Practice counting the beat out loud while you play. Remember, practicing slow often will help you get better faster than practicing fast. Slow is fast when it comes to practicing. From our website, you can download the music to Cuckoo written on the grand staff so you can see how the hands work together. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time to learn the rest of Cuckoo hands together.